All right, good evening, good afternoon, and good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Brainybite tutorial. Okay, so if this is your first time of coming to this YouTube channel or coming across this video, this is Brainybite tutorial. Okay, so what we do in this channel is that we teach JAMB slash university aspiring candidates on how to pass JAMB UTME examination and also how to pass a post-UTME, and at the end we assist them gain admission into the university. Okay, that's exactly what we do here, and that's what we are known of. So if you have come here and you are one of JAMB University aspirant, what you will do, I will encourage you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. So once you subscribe, you turn on the bell notification so that whenever I drop any amazing video, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the video. And that's it. Okay, so we also have a WhatsApp community. All right, so if you want to join us, you are a genuine member, you want to join us, because we have added some persons and at the end of the day it costs another thing. All right, so if you want to join us, you are a genuine member, you know that we obey the rules and regulations guiding the platform you want to join us. I will be leaving my phone number on this video so that you can be able to join us right there. All right, so today I don't want to waste much of our time. If you look at my table today, you'll find out that my topic for today is, can I still gain admission with my low JAMB score? All right, so that's the topic of the day. So actually what brought me about this with this video is to clear the air, because I know that there are so many tensions out there, there are so many people depressed out there, so many is happy, so many are not happy, so many scored, so many did not get to their expectations, so many things out there happening. All right, so I want to use this opportunity to clear this, right, so that so many persons will actually understand and equally learn from this video. All right, so JAMB UTME examination has ended and they released their results. Of course, it came out today, this morning. It was supposed to be out yesterday, but it didn't come out, so it came out this morning. And so many people have been checking happy, and so many others is not actually happy, and some are happy and not actually happy. So some are also depressed. So the reason why they are depressed is not because they scored low. It's not because they scored low. They are afraid, because this jab of 18 is somehow frustrating, and some persons knows that it is more of the more you write, the less you score. I have actually explained the reason why it's like that. The more you write, the less you score. So so that's why they are afraid of their jam. They are afraid if they can actually gain admission with a low jam score. So that's why I've come here today to clear this, so that everybody will understand what it means. All right, so I want to encourage everybody that scored very low in their jam score. I don't know whatever you score, but I want to encourage you that jam score is just like a stepping stone. Okay, so that is just the primary. Okay, it's just the primary to admit. It's just like the primary step of admission. All right, so we have every other steps there out there. So aside from jump, all right, so jump is the first thing to do, which is, let's assume that whatever thing you have scored in jump, at first it doesn't guarantee you admission. Alright, that's why you see some person, they will score very high and at the end of the day they didn't get admission also. Alright, they score very high and at the end of the day they didn't get admission. So what you will do, I don't know what your score is, I don't know what you score, right? But I just want to encourage you to be calm, right? Whatever you score, just be calm. 2 weeks from now, JAMB will sit for their policy meeting. All right, they will sit their policy meeting. In that policy meeting, they will now decide the year's national cutoff mark. Right, they will set the year's national cutoff mark. So whichever what national cutoff mark they want to go with. So that national cutoff mark, some schools may not adhere to that cutoff mark, while some school will adhere to the cutoff mark. So, and no Nigerian institution will go below that, but they can go above. Alright, that's to tell you that JAMB might cut 150 or 140. Then some schools will decide to call 160 or decide to remain 140. Alright, so I don't know, after 2 weeks, so we'll find out. I will still update us. So that's the reason why I advise to subscribe and turn on the bell notification, so that whenever I update a video update like this, you will be the first to watch the update. Alright, so now you have scored you have gotten your score. I don't know what your score is. So is it the only way? If your score is low, can you still gain admission? Yes, you can gain admission. Yes, you can gain admission. So what you will do is you have post-UTME. Then after post-UTME, that post-UTME will now decide whether your chances of gaining admission. Right? Your post-UTME score and your JAMB score will now decide your chances. Alright, so now I want to tell you, if you have been writing JAMB for a very long time and you still score very low JAMB score this year, what I want to do for you now is that I will be dropping my phone number on the screen now. Alright, this is 0 9 0 6 5 4 2 4 0 5 8. So I have 09065424058. Let me repeat again for the last time. 09065424058. So what you will do is that you message me on WhatsApp. So you message me on WhatsApp with your JAMB score. Tell me, this is my JAMB. Hello, you can greet if you feel like you want to greet. So you message me and tell me your JAMB score. Tell me your institution and your score. Alright, so let's know if you can get admission with your score. Whatever your score is, even if you score 2, just message me. Right, whatever your score is, I'm here to calm down pressure. That's why you see me making this video tonight. Alright, so that I can calm down some pressure, because I know that there are a lot of pressure out there. So they released the results today and pressure is out there. So some people is actually depressed, looking for a way forward. But believe me, there's a way forward. Alright, so if you need our help, just message me now on WhatsApp. Alright, message me on WhatsApp. Tell me, this is your JAMB score, this is the course I'm going for, this is my institution. Alright, we will help you get admission. We will direct you. If you don't have anybody, just like you don't have anybody, you don't have, because you might score low and some people out there will be like, bring money, let's work out admission for you. Yes, they can work out admission for you, but sometimes it is not everybody that is genuine, and some persons, when you pay them money, they'll eat your money and go away. Alright, so it's not everybody that is actually genuine. So what you will do, you will send me a DM on WhatsApp. When you send me a DM on WhatsApp, I'll be right there to answer your question. We are going to help you get admission. So it doesn't matter how many years you have stayed writing the admission, but just believe us. If you can trust us and believe us, you message me on WhatsApp, you will get admission. Alright, please. So that's how it is. You will get admission. So do not panic again. Please calm down. Whatever you have scored, just calm down. Alright, whatever score you have scored, I'm just begging you, because you can be depressed, and at the end of the day it will cost you another thing, and the problem is not fixed. Alright, and this JAMB of 18 is something that the more you write, the less you score. So I've explained it on the platform why it's like that. The more you write, the less you score. So please, I want to beg you, just message me now on WhatsApp. Okay, message me on WhatsApp with your JAMB score, your course. Alright, so that you can be able to follow us and win while we are winning. Alright, so you can be able to follow us. Okay, so if you don't want to stay at home, You have been staying at home for a very long time. You don't want to stay at home now again. It is your time now. Okay? It is you might not see this opportunity. We will direct you. With us, you have no issues about anything that has to do with your admission. We will direct your path, like we direct everything, ensure that you are on the right track, and at the end you will get an admission. So this is basically for people that feels that they don't want to write JAMB again next year and they have JAMB low score. So message me now, let's discuss the way forward. All right, so this is where I'll be ending this video for today. I guess I have tried and you also have tried. So that's for watching this video from this very beginning to this last side. So don't forget that I'll be dropping more updates. If you have not subscribed, I want to encourage you now to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that whenever I drop any amazing update or video or content just like the one you just watched just now, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to go there and check it out. So until I see you again in my next video, don't forget, I do love and cherish you. Once again, we're Brainybite. All right, so we keep winning and we win and we keep winning. Okay.